Attention everyone! Natural disasters like wildfires, heavy storms, and landslides can happen at any time, often without warning. That's why being prepared is absolutely crucial. Today, we're highlighting 10 must-have life-saving tools that will help you stay safe, comfortable, and ready for anything. These essentials cover everything from power outages to clean air. As always, you'll find links to all the products in the description below. Let's dive in. The Jackery Solar Generator 1000 version 2 is your ultimate backup power solution. With its 1070 watt-hour battery capacity and a 200-watt solar panel, it can power your devices, lights, and small appliances. Whether you're sheltering at home or on the move, this generator is a must-have for keeping your essentials running. For clean drinking water during emergencies, the Membrane Solutions straw water filter is a lifesaver. Compact and portable, this filter removes harmful bacteria and particles, giving you safe, drinkable water wherever you are. Protect yourself from smoke, dust, and airborne particles with Funight KN95 face masks. This 50-pack is perfect for wildfires or dusty environments, offering breathable, high-efficiency filtration when you need it most. A well-stocked first aid-only emergency first aid kit is essential in any disaster kit. This 299-piece kit includes everything you need for basic medical emergencies, from bandages to antiseptics, all in a compact, portable case. The FosPower emergency weather radio is an all-in-one survival tool. With a hand crank, solar charging, and USB power bank, it ensures you can stay connected to weather updates and charge your devices. It even has an SOS alarm and flashlight for added safety. The Etekcity lantern is a must-have for navigating power outages or dark environments. It's lightweight, long-lasting, and provides reliable illumination, making it a vital tool for any emergency scenario. Stay warm with emergency sleeping bags designed for survival. These Mylar thermal bags retain body heat, keeping you safe from hypothermia in extreme conditions. They're compact, lightweight, and easy to store. For long-term food security, the Augason Farms 30-day emergency food supply kit is a lifesaver. It contains enough nutritious meals to sustain one person for a month, making it an essential part of any emergency plan. The Don't Die in the Woods emergency blankets are built for tough conditions. These extra-large Mylar blankets are durable, tear-resistant, and perfect for creating shelter or insulation in extreme weather. Finally, ensure clean air with the Enrichment PureZone Mini Air Purifier. This portable device removes dust, smoke, and allergens, making it ideal for wildfire season or urban disaster zones. And there you have it, 10 life-saving tools to help you stay prepared for natural disasters. Let us know in the comments which one you think is the most essential. And don't forget to check out the links in the description to get these must-haves. Thanks for watching, and remember, staying prepared is staying safe.